Hey everyone, welcome to this list building course. Today I am going to show you how to build a list and how to monetize that list. So we're going to cover how to traffic sources and as well as the initial setup that you're going to need in order to build an email list, because unless you didn't know, the money is in the list. Now you should know that, you should have heard that, and it certainly is true. Having a huge list of email addresses is one of the best ways to consistently generate money online, because you'll be able to make that list loyal and keep making sales day after day by sending them offers, whether your own or affiliate. So I'm going to share with you a 30-day success plan that I've put in place today, that I want you to achieve by the end of the 30 days. So I have achieved great success with email marketing, and now I really want to share this with you and with students. As you can see from the screenshot, that is a recent screenshot of one of my autoresponders account on Market Hero, and as you can see, I've got just about 11,000 emails in that list, in that account, and I actually, as it turns out, I have over 30,000 emails when you take into account my different autoresponders, my different businesses, and I've been doing this for a long time. All right, so I know what I'm talking about, and I want to tell you all about it. So the 30-day success plan is going to go as follows. First off, we're going to try to understand the power of list building for your business. So I'm going to explain why it's so great, and I want you to really understand it and be motivated by the idea of building a huge list. Now, secondly, we're going to use autoresponders the correct way. So we're going to talk about the setup. We're going to build your first couple squeeze pages, as well as build a list of an initial 200 leads using free traffic. So I'm going to show you both free traffic and paid traffic. You can jump straight into paid traffic if you feel like it, but I want to give you the opportunity to get that money and get those leads even with free traffic. And then I'm going to show you how to make at least $100 from that list in the first 30 days and how to scale it up afterwards. So thanks a lot for investing into this course. I'll see you in the next video.